Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best random orbital sander reviews and comparison, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. DEWALT 5 inches Brushless Cordless Orbital Sander. DEWALT brings convenience and power with its 20V lithium-ion cordless orbital sander. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers variable speed control for precise sanding tasks. With a 5-inch sanding pad, it's suitable for a variety of surfaces including wood, drywall, and floors. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. HYVST Electric Square Brushless Orbital Sander. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, this corded orbital sander from HYVST features a square design for enhanced control and coverage. With a brushless motor, it delivers consistent performance for concrete, woodworking, drywall, and polishing applications. Perfect for professionals seeking reliability in their tools. At number 3. Bosch Cordless Orbit Sander GX185Li. Bosch presents a cordless solution with the GX185Li, featuring an 18V lithium-ion battery and a brushless motor. This random orbit sander boasts a 125mm orbit size, making it efficient for sanding and polishing tasks. Lightweight and maneuverable, it's an excellent choice for professionals. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. MultiFunction Brushless Orbital Sander 350W. Versatile and powerful, this corded sander offers 350W of brushless motor power. Perfect for a range of tasks including sanding, polishing, and finishing, it's a go-to tool for woodworking and automotive projects. Variable speed control ensures adaptability to different materials and applications. At number 1. Mini Brushless Variable Speed Sander 5mm. Compact and efficient, this mini brushless sander is perfect for precise finishing in tight spaces like corners and car interiors. With a 5mm orbit, it's ideal for wood, floors, and drywall. Variable speed control allows for tailored performance, ensuring smooth results every time.